Lenovo appears to be getting tired of Dell's XPS 15, so they're taking the ThinkPad X1 to the limits, literally, with the new ThinkPad X1 Extreme. Here's your first look at this mobile workstation at IFA 2018. Stay tuned. Lenovo's ThinkPad line has been relegated to mostly Ultrabook class laptops like the Carbon, and even some workstations like the P52. But what about combining them into one? The ThinkPad X1 Extreme is meant to be that device, offering a premium laptop build with the power of a more powerful laptop. It's also the non-Xeon version of the already announced Lenovo P1. Featuring Intel Kaby Lake-R H-series hexa-core processors and up to 64 GB of RAM, paired with an NVIDIA GeForce Max-Q GTX 1050 Ti for graphics, the Extreme is certainly a powerhouse. Backing up that processing power is an option for up to 2 PCIe SSDs configured as a RAID and up to 2 TB for storage. The 15.6-inch display can be configured with up to a 4K HDR Dolby Vision screen, and there's even Dolby Atmos for audio. For ports, there are 2 USB 3.1, 2 for Thunderbolt 3, a full SD slot, and HDMI 2.0. Lenovo is still pushing their ThinkShutter camera cover for those concerned with privacy, and there's an option for an IR camera and a fingerprint reader for Windows Hello. If you're using Alexa or Cortana, there are also mics for far-field voice and Wacom voice as well. Powering this beastly laptop is an 80 watt-hour battery for up to 15 hours of expected battery life. Perhaps the most surprising spec, though, is the weight. All this power comes in at just 3.75 pounds, or 1.7 kilograms. That's in large part due to the 4 layers of reinforced carbon fiber in the top lid. Pricing for the X1 Extreme starts at $1,859, and it should be available sometime in September. We'll have more from IFA 2018, so subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date, and click that like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.